but it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through, but I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never forget. One day when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. And one day when I'm old and I'm gray, could look back and say this was the price I paid. Now so it goes, or so they say, time's like a mountainscape, and I don't know, but I can't complain. God knows I've got my own escape. Sometimes I just might, even in the middle of the night. Sometimes, someday, sometimes, well, I wake and bake, but it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through, and I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never forget it. One day when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. And one day when I'm old and I'm gray, I could look back and say this was the price I paid. Even in the middle of the day, Stephen grins a little, so they say. Sometimes, yeah, sometimes, well, I wake and bake. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Michael Lyons. Oh, that was great. Yeah, thanks, you too. BOOZHOO! Kakina Awia! Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the show.
I'd like to talk about babies and elders. Really? Yeah. Because I don't have any kids, so I know a lot about babies. And, you know, I'm kind of old, but I'm not that old. But today is Ojibwe word of the day. Well, one phrase. Mino gigajeb, gakina awia. Good morning, everybody. But it's not good morning. It's Ishkwa Nawakwe. It's afternoon. Ishkwa Nawakwe. But Abinugians is a baby. Hey, baby. Hey, Abinugians. Hey there, baby. And in Ojibwe we call elders Gitchi Eya. 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 A great being. Great being. Gitchi means great. And Eya. Eya. That little dash up, the little hyphen up there, that's like the dash in the word uh-oh. Huh, sweetie? Yep. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. So get you is an elder. That's your grandma and your grandpa and them. A benugians is a little baby. And some people say that babies and elders have a special spiritual connection. Oh, really? How come? Well, they say babies just came from the spirit world, and elders are soon, they're both closest to the spirit world. You know, people in middle-aged people, we're about as far from the spirit world. But babies just came from the spirit world, and elders, so sometimes they look at each other with weird kind of, hey, you know, like commonalities. Well, babies and old people have a lot in common. How do you mean? Well, think about it. They're both bald. A lot of them wear diapers. You know, they drool. Yeah, actually, it is kind of a perfect cycle of life. You start out bald in a diaper. You live your life, and if you're good enough to become a great being, you find yourself back in a bed in a diaper without any hair. And kind of shaped in the same way again. Big old belly, flabby arms. You know, from the baby we began to the baby we end. But anyway, so you Abenugians are babies. And but in some cases,
so you want to learn Ojibwe language and culture. You've come to the right place, need you to learn about it all. Welcome to NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Boozhoo, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture.
But NANABOOZHOO has we're talking about babies and elders. Okay, hang on. I'm going to transfer you. Okay, sweeties, on line 2. Thank you very much. Line 2. Benjamin Button, baby. You're on the air. Oh, Boozhoo, NANABOOZHOO. Benjamin Button, Ninja Nikaz. Benjamin Button is what I'm called. But as you know, I am not a baby. I am in fact a Kichi Aya'a. I am an elder. Yeah. So even though you look like a baby, you're actually very old. It is true. I was there during the days of the grandfathers, and I slowly grew backwards, aged backwards in time. As I got older, my appearance seemed to resemble that of a baby. And although I am quite old, as you can see, I appear to be but a baby. Yeah. How's that working out for you? It is okay. Many women want to pick me up and hold me in their arms, but they do not want to feed me. Yeah, because you're not really a baby. Indeed it is so. Once you start drinking coffee, you cannot go back to breastfeeding. Right. That's so gross. I know. So anyway, Benjamin Button, I was wondering if you could teach the Ojibwe words for the words of the day. Because I know, you're a fluent speaker. It is so. Abenugians is the Ojibwe word for baby. Gichi, Eya'a, is an elder. I am an elder. Although I appear to be an Abenugians, I assure you, NANABOOZHOO, I do not speak with a forked tongue like the white devil. Hey, take it easy. For you see, white man has broken his promises, and I will fight no more forever. What are you talking about? For as long as the wind blows and the grass grows, for as long as the water flows and the snot runs out of my nose, I will fight no more forever. For you see, I am indeed Benjamin Button Baby. Although I look like a baby. Yeah, we know. Listen, man, I gotta let you go. Oh, I understand. You have much to do on your live stream podcast. I would only get in the way. For you see, I am but a baby. Yeah, but you have the disease. Okay, listen, dude. I'm gonna let you go, but I know I'll see you again. Gigawabamin, Minowa. Oh, Gigawabamin, Minowa, NANABOOZHOO. Gigawabamin, Minowa, Benjamin Button. Gigawabamin, Minowa, Natasha. Oh. I love Benjamin Button Baby. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Because he looks like a baby, but he's grown. So, now that we got that out of the way. Yeah, you want to have a baby? Nah. Oh, come on, let's have a baby. I don't have time. What do you mean? What do you have to do? We gotta go run some errands after the show. Still haven't done laundry. I know. I'm not even wearing bloomers anymore. You're not wearing bloomers? No, I'm wearing cut-off sweat shorts. I don't have any clean bloomers. We gotta go to the laundromat. Yeah. Let's go to the laundromat. We'll do